Hi, my name is Danish Irfan and I am teaching maths for more than 5 years. Today we are going to talk about estimation and rounding. So what is estimation? Estimation means finding a value that is close enough to the correct value makes our calculation easier. So why we use estimation? To save time and to have a quick check. Rounding numbers. There is a rule for rounding a number. If the digit after the place you are rounding is after, that is the most important thing, after the place you are rounding is 5 or more, round up, 4 or less, round down. In this example we are rounding to 10, so this is the 10th value. So next value to the 10th is 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5. It is greater than 5, so we will round up, we will add 1 in this 4, that will become 50. If you have $47 and anybody asks you that how much money you have, you said I have around about $50, you won't say that I have exactly $47 of. If this amount is bigger, you have $4,989. If anybody asks you how much money you have, you said I have around about $5,000. In the second example, that is a 32. This is a 10th term. This is that is a next term after that term. Is 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5? It's less than 5, so it will become 30. So now we will talk about rounding to 100. Now here you see, this is a 100th term, and after that, that is 7. Is 7 greater than 5? Yes. So 274 becomes 300. In the second example, this is the 100th term and the next is 2. Is 2 greater than 5 or less than 5? That is less than 5, so will become 600. Now we will do a rounding decimal. Rounding a decimal. Round 5.678 to two decimal places. So now you have to focus here. Two decimal places. That is a decimal point. We will move two decimal places. That the next value to this two decimal places is greater than 5 or less than 5. 8 is greater than 5. So we will write it 5.68. Next example. If they say 3.24 round to one decimal place, that will become, that is a one decimal place. Is 4 is greater than 5 or less than? It's less than, so it will become 3.2. In multiplication, in addition and subtraction, how we will gonna estimate it? For example, estimate it. For example, 198 plus 251. We will just round it, 200 plus 250. That is not exact value, but it's very close to the original value. In multiplication, we also do, for example, there is a big value like 49 into 21. That is very difficult to calculate. If we do this, increase round it to the 10th decimal place, to the uh, 10th value, then it will become 50 into 20. 50 into 20 is 1000, which is very close to this value. So you have to you have understand the concept of basics of estimate and rounding. I'm teaching online classes. If you are interested, You can contact me on this number 0923703511124, and my email is danishirfansaddii5 at gmail.com. Please subscribe to my channel and share these videos to your friend. It would be beneficial for them as well as for me. Thank you.